contract at 3 times the rate of new inventory coming to market. It's Friday, March 31st, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market. Homes for sale dropped again this week to 81 in the 3 active zip codes of Annapolis. 21401 has 30 for sale, with 17 going to contract over the past week. 21403 has 38 for sale as 12 went to contract, and 21409 has 13 for sale while 6 went to contract since last week. 32 homes are coming soon, reflecting a rise. 7 new listings hit the market since my last report. 19 went under contract, 16 moved to pending, 22 sold in just 5 median days at 100% list to sold ratio. The highest price home to sell was in West Annapolis for $1,400,000. Rental inventory fell to 22 homes for lease at $3,200 per month and going under lease in just 17 days. What's on your mind about our local market? Message me your questions. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, March 31st, 2023. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next week.